If you're considering buying smokpub, there are a few things you need to know before pulling the trigger. Whether you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution for your business or a personal tool to streamline your day-to-day, understanding the product fully will help you make the right choice. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing what sets smokpub apart from its competitors and why it might be exactly what you need. First things first, smokpub positions itself as an easy-to-use, all-in-one platform for managing customer relationships, marketing campaigns, and sales. Compared to others in the same space, such as HubSpot or Zoho, smokpub's simplicity and user-friendly interface make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced professionals. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. Next thing to consider is its pricing structure. While many competitors have complex and tiered pricing, smokpub offers more flexibility. It starts with a free trial, so you can get a feel for the software without any upfront investment. If you decide to upgrade, the pricing is competitive, especially considering the features offered. This makes it a solid option for those who want value without committing to an expensive contract. The third thing you'll want to know is the customization options. smokpub allows you to tailor workflows and automation to fit your specific needs. While tools like HubSpot offer similar features, smokpub's approach feels more streamlined and less overwhelming. Whether you need to automate follow-ups, segment your audience, or track your analytics, everything is easy to set up and modify without needing an expert. The fourth thing is their customer support. This is often where other platforms fall short, but smokpub delivers excellent customer service with quick response times. If you encounter any issues, the support team is accessible and knowledgeable, something that can be a real pain point with competitors that often require long wait times or complex ticket systems. With smokpub, you get quick resolutions, which is a huge advantage. Next thing you'll want to keep in mind is the learning curve. Even though the platform is user-friendly, there are a lot of powerful features under the hood, and getting the most out of smokpub takes some time. But here's the deal. Unlike others in the market, smokpub offers helpful onboarding tutorials, guides, and a community of users that can provide support. This gives you a much better chance of getting up to speed fast and efficiently, even if you're a newcomer. The sixth thing you need to know is integration capabilities. smokpub integrates with all major apps and platforms, including email marketing tools, CRMs, and even social media platforms. This makes it versatile for businesses of all sizes, ensuring you don't have to switch between multiple tools to get the job done. Competitors like Zoho and Salesforce offer integrations too, but sometimes they're either complicated or costly to set up. The last thing to note is the scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large team, smokpub can grow with you. Its ability to scale means it can handle everything from small customer lists to larger enterprise-level needs without sacrificing performance. This is especially important when compared to other platforms that might struggle with large volumes of data or require additional purchases to unlock certain features. So, if you're still on the fence about smokpub, here's the deal. If you want to try it out, you can get the best offer and start with a completely free trial by clicking the first link in the description. This will give you a chance to explore all the features risk-free and get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, once you give smokpub a shot, you'll quickly realize why it's one of the best tools in its class.